welcome to this YouTube video where we will be discussing the summary of the 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th chapters of the best-selling book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki, and don't forget to watch the summary videos of the previous chapters which will be displayed at the end of this video. So let's get started. In these chapters, Kiyosaki delves deeper into the principles and strategies that can help you achieve financial independence and build long-term wealth. Overall, these chapters provide valuable insights and practical strategies for achieving financial independence and building long-term wealth. So, if you're looking to take control of your financial future, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the summary of these important chapters in Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Work to Learn, Don't Work for Money, is the 7th chapter in the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki. In this chapter, Kiyosaki argues that traditional education does not teach people how to manage money or build wealth. Instead, he suggests that people should focus on learning skills that will help them create wealth and achieve financial independence. Kiyosaki uses his own personal experience with his rich dad to illustrate the importance of learning how to manage money and build assets. He explains that his rich dad taught him to focus on learning skills that would allow him to make money and create assets, rather than just working for a paycheck. Kiyosaki also introduces the concept of the cash flow quadrant, which divides people into 4 categories: employees, self-employed, business owners, and investors. He argues that people in the employee and self-employed categories are limited in their ability to create wealth because they are trading their time for money. On the other hand, business owners and investors have the potential to create wealth because they are building assets that generate income. In conclusion, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of learning how to create assets and manage money in order to achieve financial independence. He encourages readers to focus on learning skills that will help them build assets and generate income, rather than just working for a paycheck. The 8th chapter, Overcoming Obstacles, in the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki, is focused on the mindset and actions needed to overcome obstacles and achieve financial success. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of taking calculated risks, persisting in the face of failure, and learning from mistakes. He argues that fear and self-doubt are the biggest obstacles to achieving financial success, and that these can be overcome by developing a strong financial education and a willingness to take risks. He also stresses the importance of surrounding oneself with successful and supportive people. Kiyosaki shares personal anecdotes of his own struggles and failures, including a failed business venture and losing a large amount of money in the stock market. He explains how he learned from these experiences and used them to grow and improve his financial intelligence. Overall, the chapter encourages readers to adopt a growth mindset, face challenges head-on, and use failures as opportunities for growth and learning. The book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is a personal finance classic that emphasizes the importance of financial literacy and the difference between the mindsets of the rich and the poor. In the 9th chapter, Getting Started, Kiyosaki shares his own story of growing up with 2 fathers, his real dad, who was highly educated but struggled with money, and his best friend's dad, who had less formal education but was extremely wealthy. Kiyosaki emphasizes that his 2 dads had very different perspectives on money and that he learned important lessons from both of them. He explains that the rich don't work for money. Instead, they use money to work for them. He also emphasizes the importance of financial education and understanding basic financial concepts like cash flow, assets, liabilities, and net worth. He believes that anyone can achieve financial freedom by adopting a mindset focused on building assets and generating passive income streams. The chapter concludes with Kiyosaki encouraging readers to take action and start their journey towards financial freedom by learning more about money, investing in their financial education, and taking calculated risks to build wealth. The book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki does not have the 10th chapter titled, Still Want More? Here are some to-dos. However, the book does provide several tips and strategies for building wealth and achieving financial independence. One of the main themes of the book is the importance of financial education and learning about money management, investing, and entrepreneurship. Kiyosaki emphasizes the value of taking risks and investing in assets that generate passive income, such as rental properties or businesses. Other key takeaways from the book include the importance of developing a mindset focused on abundance and opportunity rather than scarcity and limitations, and the need to constantly seek out new learning opportunities and surround oneself with successful and knowledgeable mentors. Overall, Rich Dad Poor Dad is a practical guide for those who want to take control of their financial future and build wealth through smart investments and strategic decision making. Thank you for tuning into this video where we discussed the key takeaways from the 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th chapters of the book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki. In these chapters, we learned about the importance of financial education and the difference between assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki emphasizes the value of acquiring assets that generate passive income, such as real estate and businesses, while avoiding liabilities that drain your resources. We also discussed the mindset shift necessary for achieving financial success, which involves overcoming the fear of failure, taking calculated risks, and focusing on opportunity and abundance rather than scarcity and limitations. Finally, we explored the concept of financial intelligence and the importance of continually seeking out new learning opportunities and surrounding ourselves with successful mentors. I hope that you found this summary informative and that it has inspired you to take control of your financial future. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.